Yeah, at your shape.
Yo,
Yeah, at your road, me say at your road, boy. Take a look at this. I love this. It's giving. It's giving cute. The material feel cheap though, cheap, but the design is designing. I like it. Yeah. Guys, I'm in love with this. And I not even can see it. Hold on. There you go. Be serious. Yeah. Got two tops. Oh, did I mention these are from temu? Temu, however you want to pronounce it. Guys, come here, little. Come here. That's a reason. That's a reason. Hold on. Am I the only one who orders from temu? And they don't send me the big old ugly orange package. I be a white package and I get like a sheen me order from temu. Me and somebody pick me. At first I thought it was a Canada thing, but it is not. And I love this thing. Anyways, this is the first top. Just a simple red top. Because I realized that I only have beer tank tops, beer cut out half of them. Like, come on. So I had to get me these. But let's try it on one. This is the top. Simple and cute. Yeah. This is how long it is. Yes, sir. Other one. Till you get it together. Why are these smelling? But anyways, this is it, and it says smile through the pain. Yeah, you got to smile through the pain. Let's try it on. I like this one better than the red one. Oh, they're cute. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Guys, hold on my ear pillow. But I watch that. Then I don't come back. Right. Get into it. Smile through the pain. I love that design, yeah. It's cute. It's cute. Guys, so next thing is this. And this is how it looks. Ooh. Let's see what it's giving when I put it on. I was hoping I didn't have to wear anything underneath this, but it's real short. It's real short. It's too short. Anyways, y'all know to button here. I'm not gonna do that right now. But yeah, this is what it's giving. I'm gonna wear this with either a jean shorts or a pants. This probably can wear with a pants. So I'm gonna push one side in, the other side out, stuff like that. Yeah, and maybe fold the arms up like this, and then button here like that. Yeah, but for now, this is what it's giving. Comment down below and let me know if you like it. I'm not really feeling it, but yeah. Guys, the next thing we have is this jacket. I wanted it in black, but they didn't have any black, so I had to stick to this. And look at how this is cute. Because if I had it in black, I could probably pair it with those. No, it's different style. No, I don't think so. But let's just try it on. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, so cute. Yeah, the one you give. It's a gift everything. Come on, funny. What I'd say? Heartless? Fearless. Oh, let me see where it's from. But anyways, taking the back. Oh, the back don't have nothing. Oh. Anyways, it's cute. These can wear. I'll change the top, but the last thing we have is this jeans pants. And I also bought some socks. Y'all know what socks look like. I don't need to show you. Do I? I don't think so. Why did I look? Why these look big? Why? If them are big, yeah, go buy. Let's go try it. Seriously? The sitting at the cook. I'm never gonna cook it. Rubbish. Why? Bird. You know what? It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's giving boyfriend jeans, but at the boyfriend one. You get me? Why don't you say so big? When I like pants with space stuff. When I like pants with space so hard. But to be honest, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh, taking the back, he has two butterflies. Butterfly. Oh, no, not a banana. Sorry. Like taking the details. Take it in. The reason why I bought this is because every time I go on temu, girl, then I have no manners, make the people see when you have some. The reason why I bought this is because every time I go on temu, this comes up. Like, it's literally saying, buy me. I was like, okay, fine. So, this is it. I really don't like this part because why is it so big? But anyways, other than that, it's cute. Yeah. I know y'all want me to show you the socks, so I'm just gonna go ahead. It's just socks. Jeez. Dang. fine. So since y'all don't know what socks is, this is the socks. It has this design on it. This one has like this on the design. And this has like this design. This has like this. Yeah, I know that you guys know what socks is. I hope you feel good. Anyways, that is it for this video. Anyways, that is all for this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Please like the video, okay? Because it helps me a lot. And I realize that y'all are not liking the video. So go ahead and like the video. Before you click off, just like. Just press the button, it's free. Anyways, see y'all in the next one. Bye.